Hi, I'm Mark from the Landscape Academy, and today we're going to look at the installation of copings.
London Stone have a variety of coping stones made from either natural stone or porcelain to suit your requirements. Coping stones come with different edge details such as pencil round or straight. Good preparation is the key to the installation of copings. Make sure the wall you are using is sound, straight and with no defects. Any cavities should be filled with the appropriate material to remove voids. The wall we are using today is block construction built on a concrete foundation, which is being clad with London Stone's stone cladding.
The thing to remember is if you're sticking copings on an existing wall structure, it's important that you know that the wall is level. So it's ideal to check the wall at the beginning end and check the wall at the far end with maybe a laser level system. Put your first coping on at the end you want to start from. Put a coping on at the far end as a dummy coping, get them set to the same level, and then put a string line down the outer edge to the two. This enables you then to check under the string line with your tape measure and make sure that you get a consistent bed, and you're not going to run out of mortar bed or increase as it goes along. That will show the imperfections in the wall. This wall that we've done is absolutely spot on.
Primer is recommended to ensure a secure adhesion to the bedding layer. Apply a primer to the back of the coping. Don't put the primer on the edges or the overhang of the coping because this may transfer onto the top when handling the stone. Spread a mortar bed to where the first coping is to be installed. The mortar bed should be 10 to 20 mm thick. Spread out and smooth to a full bedding layer to ensure full contact. Lay the first coping and gently tap into place using a rubber mallet and spirit level. London Stone recommend the coping overhang is the same as the thickness of the material. The coping should be level horizontally with a slight fall from back to front to aid with water runoff. Check the coping is square to the wall. Measure and set out your string lines along the length of the wall. Install the remaining copings using the same method. Use spacers to create an even joint width between the coping stones. London Stone recommend a joint width of between 5 and 8 mm. Remember to check your measurements and your string lines as you go so the copings remain square to the wall. It is a good idea to have a bucket of water and a sponge on hand to clean up any mortar spills immediately to prevent damage or any staining to the coping. London Stone copings are available in a wide range of natural stone and porcelain finishes and add the perfect high quality design detail to outside walls.